Hello everyone, I am Alema Khan, a digital marketer and a graphic designer. Also, I have been working as a UX UI designer since last year. In this tutorial, I will be covering Canva from basic to advanced. Throughout this tutorial, we will be learning to design logos, posters, brochures, flyers and many more. Also, in this tutorial, we will be learning some tips and tricks to start earning through Canva. So let's start with what Canva is. Basically, Canva is a graphic designing platform that allows users to create multiple things such as social media posts, graphics, presentations, posters and other visual content as well. It provides you complete templates for multiple posts, for documents and many more stuff where you can change the brand colors accordingly and even the content as well, and you can get a good design, social media designs or any other documents design as well. Also, Canva is an online graphic designing tool with several functions and features that even beginners can use. It allows anyone to create fascinating designs for professional and personal use as well. It is specifically made for people who are not graphic designers and even can't invest in hefty amounts to get the professional designs. In our upcoming video, we'll be learning more about Canva. We'll do the hands-on practice of designs, we'll make design by ourselves, we'll learn to edit templates as well and many more great things into Canva. So stay tuned and see you in the next video. Please do like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you.